Hi, we're going to add also to the chess play a tower. To do that, we start by adding mesh circle, and the diameter or the radius, sorry, should be 0.4. Now we're going to position it somewhere over here. Okay, zoom in a little bit. Going to edit mode, press E, S to bring it to the center, and press F. Now we switch to edge selection, right click on that edge, Alt Shift, right click on that one, and we're going to make the base form. So we go into extrude in opposite direction in Z, not that much, something like this. Going to do the same, E in Z direction, half of it, left mouse click. Sorry, forgotten the screencast key, so I'll put them on like that. Okay, E again, Z half of it like that, S to bring it to the outside, approximately the same as underneath. Now E, Z again to bring it up like that, extrude again in Z direction, something like this, but we shrink it by pressing S to that. And now we're going to make the tower higher, so press E again in Z direction. Let's make the tower, this should be approximately the same height as the other one. Press S to bring it to the center, so we get that afterwards, that conical look. Okay, now going to make the tower top by pressing E, S, and bring it outside like this. Extrude in Z direction like that. That's looking good. Okay, E, S to bring it to the inside like that. Bring it downwards by pressing E, Z downwards like this. And you can press F, but afterwards you get in trouble, so we press first E, S to bring it to the center like this, and now you can press F to close it. So this is your basic form. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add modifier, subdivision surface, where we choose 3, same over there, and we're going to bring it straight with a new tool that you think I think you know, but the previous I did it the other way around, so I'm going to change that one. Click on the edge, hold down the Shift Alt key. We have selected that. Press down the Shift Alt key and selected that, and now move up until we have over here mean crease. So we move it. When you move it up, you see it's getting straighter and straighter. So we made it, let's say, like this, 0.6. We're going to do the same on the inside. To do that, we have to see the wireframe, so switch for wireframe, and now you can select which one you want, and that's one. Hold down the Alt Shift button and click on the other one. Switch back so you can see what you do to solid, and increase to the maximum. So I say for this one, let's say 0.9, like that. Okay, same over here. Click on that one, hold down the Shift button, and bring it up. Let's say 1 for that, and you can do the same underneath. Let's click on this one, Alt Shift, and say 1. And for the rest, we're going to use the Control R key. So Control R, where we say in the middle, I want this one a little, and do the same over here. Control R, and we bring it, and the same on top of it, because I want a little radius on top. So get that nice look. Okay, yeah, now we're going to add a color. and to add the color we choose. It is a black tower, so we don't want to make it fully black, otherwise we can't see it for the moment. So that's 0. Switch off shadow, and I'm going to make it black but not fully black, so we can see it. Good. Now we're going to add, switch to object mode. We're going to add a cube, as cube. We're going to shrink that by pressing S, bring it up somewhere over here, shrink it. We're going to enlarge it, so we'll go to edit mode, face selection, right click on that face, enlarge it like this, go back to object mode, reposition it, and we're going to shrink it a little bit more, place it in the center. We're going to copy it, and we're going to do that by Shift D or Z 90. This makes a 90 degrees rotation of our duplicated cube. We're going to position this one in the center like that. Yeah, that should do it. The height is okay, I think. Okay, when this is done, we're going to select tower, and we're going to add modifier, boolean, and as boolean we're going to say difference. I want to make the difference between tower and the cube, so we're going to select the first cube, and we're going to add an extra one, boolean, where we're going to choose the second cube. Okay, make a difference, otherwise you chose the wrong ones. Now do not apply, otherwise you get not that straight shape you want over there. I don't want the cubes anymore. Two possibilities: or you switch them off like this and you won't see them, but if you render it you will see, because you see the cameras over here. So if you render it and you won't see it, switch off these. Okay, now we're going to render it and see what we got. So before we do that, we're going to put an extra lamp on it so we see it nicely. Let's say this one, Shift D. I'm going to position it otherwise you won't see much of it. We try JPEG. Okay, render it, and you have already two pieces on your chessboard. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.